Chimichurri looks simple: fresh herbs, oil, and acid. But at industrial scale, precision matters. Today, we're going inside a modern chimichurri production facility to see how this fresh green sauce is made, step by step.
Every batch of chimichurri starts in a controlled, food-grade environment. Before production begins, workers sanitize, equipment is cleaned, and the entire line is prepared. Hygiene is not optional here. It's the foundation of consistency and safety.
Fresh herbs arrive daily. Parsley and cilantro are inspected for color, aroma, and freshness. Only clean, vibrant herbs move forward. Anything damaged or off-spec is removed immediately.
Up and keep it price.
Approved herbs enter the washing system. Clean water removes dirt and debris, while controlled airflow dries the leaves gently. After drying, workers sort the herbs by hand, ensuring only the best material continues. Clean herbs move to the chopping line. High-speed blades cut the leaves into uniform pieces. Size control is critical. Too fine and texture is lost. Too large and the sauce won't blend properly. Garlic, chili, and spices are prepared separately. Garlic is peeled and cleaned. Chilies are ground. Dry spices are measured precisely. Each ingredient is processed individually to protect its flavor. Oil and vinegar form the base of chimichurri. They're added first to create balance. Then herbs, garlic, chili, and spices are introduced. The mixture begins to take its signature green color and fresh aroma. The sauce enters the emulsification stage. High-shear mixing stabilizes the oil and herbs, creating a consistent texture. Sensors monitor viscosity and separation. The goal is a stable, spoonable sauce. Before bottling, every batch is tested. Color, texture, acidity, and flavor are verified. Only approved batches move forward. Consistency is everything. Every bottle must taste the same. Approved chimichurri moves to the bottling line. Bottles labeled chimichurri are filled precisely. Caps are sealed and checked for integrity. Labels are applied and inspected before packing. Finished bottles are packed into cartons labeled chimichurri. Cartons are sealed, weighed, and stacked onto pallets. Pallets are wrapped and stored. From here, the product is ready to ship nationwide.